Welcome to the first of our 5 ways space exploration has shaped America. We're revealing the surprising ways space changed everyday life on the ground. In the 1970s, the U.S. military launched the first Navstar satellites to create a global positioning system. What began as a Cold War tool for precise navigation became fully available to civilians in the 1990s. Today, GPS powers everything from smartphone directions and ride-sharing apps to precision farming, aviation safety, and emergency response. It saves billions in time and fuel every year and has become the invisible backbone of the modern American economy. GPS proves that sometimes a military space project becomes the highway in the sky that guides millions every day.
In the 1960s, NASA and the Department of Defense launched the first communications satellites like Telstar and Syncom. These orbiting relays made live global television, long-distance phone calls, and eventually high-speed internet possible. America's satellite network now carries trillions of dollars in daily commerce, powers cable TV, weather alerts, and disaster coordination. It turned a nation of local broadcasters into the connected global village we live in today. Satellite communications proves that sometimes a rocket launch dish connects the entire country like never before. Next, the Earthrise photo.
On Christmas Eve 1968, Apollo 8 astronauts captured the first color photograph of Earth rising over the moon's horizon. That single image, called Earthrise, showed our planet as a fragile blue marble floating in the blackness of space. It became the defining symbol of the modern environmental movement, inspiring the first Earth Day in 1970, the creation of the EPA, and landmark laws like the Clean Air and Clean Water Acts. The Earthrise photo proves that sometimes one picture from space changes how an entire nation sees its home. Next, NASA spin-offs.
To survive in space, NASA developed technologies like memory foam, cordless power tools, water purification systems, and advanced insulation. These innovations were quickly adapted for everyday use back on Earth. Memory foam is now in millions of mattresses and medical devices. Cordless drills revolutionized home improvement, and space-grade filters help provide clean drinking water in remote areas and disaster zones. NASA spin-offs prove that sometimes solving problems for astronauts ends up improving life for every American.
The space race and Apollo program created a national push for science and math education. Post-Sputnik and moon landing excitement led to massive investments in schools, universities, and STEM programs across the country. That surge trained generations of engineers, scientists, and innovators who built Silicon Valley, modern aviation, and today's private space industry led by companies like SpaceX. Inspiring STEM education proves that sometimes reaching for the moon ends up lifting an entire nation's future. That's our final story. Launch more knowledge. Subscribe to Short Bites of History.